everyone. The topic for today's presentation is continuous integration in test automation. I have been doing my internship with ST Microelectronics, Greater Noida, and this presentation is part of my project I took there. The agenda for today is I'll be discussing company profile, project background, scope and utility of the project, project architecture, tools and techniques used in the project, process workflow, implementation snapshots, results and conclusion. First of all, company profile. ST Microelectronics is a semiconductor manufacturer which is a French-Italian venture headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Key people being Carlo Bozito, who is the president and CEO of the company. ST basically deals with ICs, memory, microcontroller chips, transistors and smart cards. The Noida site of the company was launched in 1992 and a Silicon Design Center was inaugurated on February 14, 1995. This Noida site basically has design teams dealing with the home video products including STBs, DVDs, GPS and wireless LAN chips and other accompanying softwares. The company department where I'm working is DCG, that is Digital Control Group, which basically deals with digital set-top boxes, Android set-top boxes and Android TV is the latest project which the team is having. Here in this picture you can see how the set-top box gets connected to the television, and this set-top box has embedded Android platform on the set-top box and the content flows from the application server. The content can be any video or audio file which gets to the set-top box via the application server, and similarly the database files go to the set-top boxes and data exchange takes place via the application server. I'll be discussing more about the STB architecture in the next slide. Background, that is STB architecture. I have my board which is Android set-top box board and which is connected to the host machine via STMC. STMC gets connected to the board via GTEC and to the host via Ethernet, and the board gets the satellite signals via RF tuner which tunes the satellite signals to the board and then brings the output to the TV that via HDMI cable. We can also telnet the board on my PC to get the logs of the workflow going on the board. And the next I have Android architecture. Since my set-top box is Android, so I am discussing the Android basic stack, software stack here. On the lower layer we have the Linux kernel which involves the Wi-Fi drivers, camera drivers, display drivers, USB drivers. These all are the basic C coding which we have. On top of it we have the libraries which manage these drivers, like media framework which contains the coding decoding of the video and audio files. Then I have SQLite which deals with the database, Surface Manager, OpenGL which deals with the graphics library. On top of this we have the managers which become the application frameworks or APIs, which contains the content providers, telephony manager, package manager, activity manager. All these communicate to the libraries to get the proper workflow done on the application part, and the applications communicate with the application framework. The applications can be any inbuilt applications like home, camera, contacts, phone, browsers, or you can also have some user defined applications on it. And then I have the scope of the project, continuous integration. Continuous integration is basically aims to improve the quality of the software and to reduce the time taken to deliver it. The objectives and applications of the project are automation of building, testing and merging developer releases to the integrator release. This helps in utilization of time, and also since this automated system can be applicable to any kind of software development or maintenance project, so irrespective of their platform and technology. I have used tools in this like Jenkins for continuous integration automation, and the techniques I have used is shell scripting and the Android CTS. I have been working on Android Lollipop and KitKat both, so these are the tools I have used. Process, workflow, if I talk about, first of all we need to download the source code, that is the git, which is from the git, and then we use the command to build the software, and this is how the environment look like on the set-top box. And then we need to flash it on the board via this command. This is the workflow of the CI where the integrator release goes through. This is the snapshots of the my project. Here we have the Junkin homepage on which we create a new job to build the setup, and when I create a job I get all the Unix coding there. I do all the Unix coding there and maintain a job there. These are the results. These are the 3 hour, 4 hour jobs which are done automatically by the software without any manual interaction. And these are the test reports of the CTS of the built software. That's it. Thank you.